A few distressing images were posted on Facebook showing ice bags being used to maintain the freezer at the Popondetta General Hospital. Family and relatives of the deceased question why authorities have overlooked this issue. The Oro Governor did confirm the state of the morgue.
Current situation with the morgue in Oro Province is deplorable. Right now it's overflowing. Right now we have a shortage of space, and we are facing some serious issues with that morgue and its capacity.
Under the O'Neill-able government, Popondetta General Hospital did see an upgrade to some of its services, however not the morgue. But according to Governor Juffa, a tune of 2 million kina was sourced for a new morgue facility. However, work never commenced.
However, we made funding available 2 years ago, the provincial government, when this became an emergency, and that funding was handed over to the PHA. But unfortunately, for reasons that I can only say have been structural management issues, that funding did not translate to a morgue being built and delivered so that it could deliver to the expectations of our people.
Governor Juffa has also highlighted that the health department needs to pass the PHA regulations, as PHAs around the country remain confused over certain roles. He says the Oro PHA is now in the process of designing a new morgue and for tendering of the project.
I am glad to say that the matter has been resolved. The PHA has established a project steering committee. They have deliberated and they are now in the process of approving the design and sending that to the Provincial Procurement Committee so that a reputable or reliable contractor could be engaged to build the morgue, and I believe this will be done before the end of this year. It's a sad situation, but unfortunately, this is the reality that we have to deal with, not just in Oro Province but in the whole country. And I would say that to look at a more deeper issue affecting health in our country, the Ministry of Health, the National Department of Health, they really need to establish the outstanding regulations that are needed for the operational effectiveness of the PHAs.
Jack Lapava Jr., National EMTV News.